Crop production and management. Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered where our food comes from? Plants make their own food, but animals and humans depend on plants and other animals for food. Since a large population needs food regularly, we must manage crop production properly. Let us explore how. Agricultural practices. Long ago, people moved from place to place searching for food. Later, they started growing crops which led to agriculture. When plants of the same kind are grown on a large scale in one place, it is called a crop. Crops are classified based on the season they grow in. Kharif crops. They are grown in rainy season, that is from June to September. Examples of Kharif crops: paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut, cotton. Rabi crops. These are winter season crops. They grow between October to March. Examples: wheat, gram, pea, mustard, linseed. Let's see the basic practices of crop production. Farmers follow 7 important steps to grow crops. 1. Preparation of soil. 2. Sowing of seeds. 3. Adding manure and fertilizers. 4. Irrigation. 5. Protection from weeds. 6. Harvesting. And 7. Storage. Preparation of soil. This is the first step. It involves loosening and turning the soil. This process is called ploughing. It helps roots to grow deep and get air, water, and nutrients. Ploughing is also called as tilling. It is done by using different tools. Plough, either wooden or iron one, is used since ancient times. The next one, hoe. It removes weeds and it loosens the soil. This is a cultivator. It is driven by a tractor. It saves time and labor. Leveling of land is done after ploughing to ensure even land. Next, sowing seeds. Good quality seeds are selected to give a better yield. Testing of seeds. Damaged seeds float in water. Healthy seeds sink in the water. Now let us see methods of sowing. Traditional tool. It is a funnel-shaped tool used for sowing. Seed drill. Seed drills are used with tractors for even sowing and covering seeds with soil. Correct seed spacing avoids overcrowding. Adding manure and fertilizers. Manure. It is organic, made from plant and animal waste. It improves soil health. Fertilizers. They are chemical nutrients like urea, NPK. They increase crop yield, but overuse of fertilizers reduces soil fertility and pollutes water. Now let us see better soil management. Soil can be managed better by crop rotation, that is growing different crops in turns, and by growing leguminous plants like peas. These plants help fix the nitrogen in soil. Manure is better than fertilizers as it improves soil quality. Next, irrigation, that is watering crops. Water is essential for plant growth. Sources of irrigation: wells, tube wells, lakes, rivers, and canals. Methods of irrigation. Traditional methods: moat or pulley system, chain pump, rahat, that is wheel system. These are the traditional methods. Let's see the modern methods. Sprinkler system. It sprays water like rain used in uneven lands. Drip irrigation. It saves water and best suited for fruit and vegetable plants. Next, protection from weeds. Weeds are unwanted plants that compete with crops for nutrients, water, and space. Methods of weeding. 1. Manual removal. That is, uprooting the weeds with hands or using a khurpi. 2. Tilling. Tilling is done before sowing to remove weeds. Third one, weedicides like 2,4-D. These chemicals are sprayed to kill the weeds. Weedicides should be used carefully. Farmers cover their nose and mouth while spraying weedicides. The next one, harvesting. Harvesting means cutting the matured crops after 3 to 4 months. Let's see the methods of harvesting. Using sickle. This is a manual method. Using a harvester. It is a machine. After harvesting, the grains are to be separated from the chaff. It is done either by threshing or winnowing. Threshing separates grains from chaff. A combined machine does both the harvesting and threshing together. Winnowing. Winnowing is used by small farmers to separate grains from chaff. Harvesting festivals in India. Farmers celebrate Baisakhi in Punjab, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Lohri in North India. Storage of grains. Grains must be dried in the sun before storage to prevent damage. Let's see the different storage methods. Farmers store grains in jute bags or metallic bins. On large-scale storage, farmers store the grains in silos and granaries. Neem leaves are used at home to protect grains from insects. In large storage godowns, chemical treatments to the grains is done. Food from animals. Animal husbandry. What is animal husbandry? Rearing animals for food, milk, eggs, etc. is called animal husbandry. Animals need proper food, shelter, and care. Common farm animals like cows, buffaloes, goats, poultry, that is hens and ducks, are grown for food and other products. Fisheries. Growing fish for food is fisheries. Coastal people rely on fish as major part of their diet. Let us recap the important points of the lesson. Crops need proper agricultural practices to grow well. Soil preparation, sowing, irrigation, and harvesting are key steps. Manure is better than fertilizers for soil health. Weeds must be removed for better crop growth. Proper storage of grains prevent grain loss. Animal husbandry provides food like milk, eggs, and meat.